Hello and welcome back to Potions class. My name is Asia and today we are going to go visit the German Alps. That's what I'm imagining anyway. Today's potion reminds me of those tiny houses on top of snowy mountains, and the view outside is a blanket of white trees and steep slopes. I feel cozy just thinking about it. You know what else sounds cozy? Sipping at a cozy hot beverage under fluffy blankets in a nice warm bed. It's not the German Alps, but it's a good start. Today's remedy is called German Relaxation, and no, it's not the title of an adult video. It's another sleep tonic. There seems to be a sleep aid for almost every country, so let's see what you got, Germany. I also have another sleep remedy lined up for next week from a different country. Can you guess where it's from? Let's just say that their version is interesting. Anyway, today's remedy is a simple one, so without further ado, let's craft German relaxation. So these are the ingredients for today's remedy. You will need 3 ounces of herbal Alpine elixir, such as Jägermeister, 6 ounces of boiling water, and 1 ounce of honey simple syrup. So first, grab a mug. I'll be mixing mine in a mason jar. Add in your Jägermeister. And top with boiling water. Lastly, sweeten with your honey simple syrup. Give it a quick stir. And ta-da! German relaxation is complete. Taste test time. Alright, let's see if this remedy is any good. Cheers! Or, Prost! This is really tasty. I think this is fairly easy for most people to drink. I didn't know what Jaeger actually tasted like before, so I didn't know what to expect, but this is actually really good. The Jaeger with the honey sweetness somehow combines the taste like Coke. And I know I've made a drink before that also tastes like Coke, but this one also kind of tastes like Coke. I guess Coke is made with a blend of certain herbs then, because it tastes like Jaeger a bit, and it also tastes like this other herbal liqueur that I used in the past. This is a bit on the sweeter end, so I would say maybe like a 7 out of 10 sweetness. And the Jaeger tastes like spices, so it's really giving me like holiday vibes. Germany, you did good. And this is so easy to throw together too. You probably don't even need to use honey simple syrup. You can just melt some honey in the hot water. Add a splash of Jaeger and there you have it, German relaxation. I think this is definitely working because I am getting very sleepy. It might also just be because this drink is pretty hot and I'm in this really warm sweater and my brain just wants to shut down. But yeah, I think this is the easiest sleep remedy to date. So if you have some Jaeger and you have some honey, then go try this one out yourself and see how you feel about it. Well, that's the end of today's class. Thank you for joining me, and I hope that this remedy helps you dream of snowy peaks and little goats. Please leave any questions or suggestions down in the comments below, and like and subscribe for more future remedies. And until next time, class is dismissed. Stay magical!